Let's start with choosing your celebrant. We always say go with the person who gets you. It's not just about who's available, it's all about that connection.
Exactly. Now just remember, you're going to be sharing a lot with us. Your story, your feelings, and your family quirks potentially. So you want someone that puts you at ease and who you feel you can trust to tell your story with care.
And we're all different. Some celebrants are high energy, some are more softer and more reflective. So have a little look at the profiles, socials, videos, and book a chat. It makes all the difference.
So a question we get asked all the time: when should I book my celebrant?
The honest answer is as early as possible. If your ceremony date is important to you, especially during the busy season, the sooner the better.
And yes, we're all legal marriage celebrants, so if you want your ceremony to be the legal one, it's important for us to get involved early to guide you through that side of things as well.
So, you've booked your celebrant. What happens next?
That's when the fun starts. We'll get the dates in the diary and your celebrant will start working with you to create something totally unique.
And don't worry, we're with you every step of the way. Whether you're planning a wedding, a funeral, a naming ceremony, or something completely outside the box.
We like to keep things clear, so we're up front with our costs. You need to pay a non-refundable booking fee when you book, and then you receive an invoice for the remaining amount around 12 weeks or so ahead of your ceremony date. It really is as simple as that. But did you know though that a portion of what you pay also goes to our charity partners through the Fuze Foundation?
Yep, every single ceremony funds our charitable work, which includes supporting people through grief and creating inclusive ceremonies to those who might otherwise miss out.
And support-wise, well, our admin team is there behind the scenes. You're not just booking one person or a celebrant, you've got the whole Fuze family backing you.
We always say, whether you're celebrating life, love, or saying goodbye, it should be done your way.
Absolutely. And we're here to make sure your ceremony feels right just for you, with a lot of heart, a little humour, and some serious know-how.
So if you've got any questions, get in touch. We love a chat.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you for a coffee next time.